You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this town in New Zealand, the North Island, and it's also the name of the national day of New Zealand, Aotearoa. By the way, if you want to learn more names from New Zealand, stay tuned, you found the right channel. Waitangi, it's pretty straightforward. Wai, just like why. Waitangi. Waitangi Day. How to pronounce English pronunciation as well as Maori. Waitangi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.